Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. After that, just open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!